You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is the name of a TV series, but this is also a Latin word that is part of an expression. If you want to learn more Latin vocabulary, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations in English. Absentia, which is the more Latin pronunciation. Absentia. Now, in English, the pronunciation is more generally as absentia. Absentia, or two correct pronunciations, absentia or absentia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.